morning. It is Tuesday, April the 1st, 2025, and I picked up a Poplin laundry order. This gentleman has 4 bags, so I'm going to pick it up at 8:15, and then I'll be headed to work. Today I work 9 to 5 instead of 8 to 4. So guys, I want you to come along with me while we go pick up this Poplin order. Alright guys, you're not going to be able to see me because the building, I'm going to let you see the building, but the building that is facing me, I have to go behind that building to get to this gentleman's apartment. So I'll be back when I get the laundry. Guys, laundry has been picked up. The gentleman's brother helped me bring some of the laundry to the car, but this man has a weird request. He asking me to iron his clothes, and I don't use an iron because when my clothes come out the dryer, I'm sorry, the car, it's already, you know, ironed, straightened. But so he gave me his iron. He said, well, I'll give you a big tip. We'll see. I'm gonna do it, but if not, I will not be picking up his laundry anymore because this is a lot. But anyway guys, I'm on my way to work, so I will see you tomorrow when I drop off the laundry. Requested order has been picked up, so now we got to go home and start on this laundry because I want to drop both of these orders off before I have to be to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. Anyway guys, I will see you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is 6:12 a.m. so it's still a little dark outside, so you're probably can't see me that much, but we're on our way to drop off this laundry that we picked up yesterday, and I almost thought I wasn't able to, in a quarter mile turn left on Todd's lane, waiting on this GPS, to drop off one of the orders because this man car declined. And when I picked up his laundry, he was asking me for something that we're not, come on GPS, that we're not obligated to do. He asked me to iron his clothes, and I said, sir, I don't have an iron. And then he gave me his iron. But that's the same gentleman that had about 100 pounds of clothes. He had 98.6 pounds of clothes, and his cart declined. But he asked me to iron his clothes, and that's not nothing. Like I said in the video before, we're not obligated to do anything but to wash their clothes in certain detergent. And because I like my clothes soft, I add softener to my customers' clothes. But to iron your clothes, that is not a part of it. Anyway, I'm on my way. His cart finally came through late last night, so I'm on my way to drop off his first, and then I'm going to drop off the requested customer. laundry, and then I'll be on my way to work.
Continue on Todd's Lane
So
for 1 mile.
let's get it to him. Right, laundry is dropped off. Now let me get out of here. Go to the next one. Let's go drop off the last customer's laundry, and then we'll be on our way to work. This gentleman, he has a video. I mean, not a video. What do you call it? A camera? Yeah, that he watches me. This is the guy that I told you wanted me to iron his clothes, even though we don't have to iron clothes, and the card had declined, and so I was able to go ahead and drop his laundry off because late last night the card went through. He said, "You early." I guess he must have a lot of issues in his neighborhood because he be watching that camera. And anyway, so we're on our way to drop off the next person's laundry, and I'm glad I was able to go ahead and do his before work also.
Head east on
That
Lincoln
way,
Street.
after
Turn
work,
left onto North Armistead Avenue.
all we have to do is get our two brand new tires, and then I can check that off. And then
You're
after
back
that,
online. You're on the fastest
thing-
route and your route is clear. You
next
should
thing-
reach your
Come on,
destination by
GPS.
6:45 a.m.
next thing we're gonna do is get our car inspection, and we'll be straight. Then next thing we'll pay on that almost $1,500 taxes I gotta pay back. That's another story. But anyway, let's go get this laundry because I'm gonna keep talking. All right, both orders have been completed, so I'm on my way. Get out this driveway. On my way to work. So let's go. It seems like I was just at her house real soon, so like, because I picked her laundry up about 3 o'clock yesterday, and it seemed like the morning just came so fast. Seemed like I was just down here, because when I was down here I stopped and got me some ice cream while I was down here. But these days are just going by. But anyway, guys, you be blessed, and I will see you later on with the that video, because today is Wednesday. So I'll be coming back later with the debt portion of the video.